Let's discuss Genesys Cloud CX Collaborate configuration components and organizations. Genesys Cloud Setup uses components like organizations, divisions, locations, groups, workspaces, roles, and users. Think of an organization as your company's private, top-level space in Genesys Cloud. One customer gets one unique org, keeping all your data separate. Big companies might have multiple orgs for different regions, like UAE and USA. Each organization is tied to a specific geographic region, affecting data location and user access via region-specific web addresses. Finally, each org has a unique organization ID for identification. Organization configuration. Admin organization settings. Lab, accessing Genesys Cloud organization configuration. Here's a step-by-step guide to accessing and understanding the organization configuration for your lab environment. Log into Genesys Cloud, access your Genesys Cloud instance using your provided credentials. Navigate to Admin on the Genesys Cloud interface, locate and click on the Admin menu. This is typically found in the top navigation bar or a sidebar menu. Open Organization Settings within the Admin menu, find and click on Organization Settings. This will take you to the configuration options for your specific Genesys Cloud organization. Explore configuration parameters on the Organization Settings page. You will find several sections or tabs. These correspond to the configurable parameters mentioned. Organization details. Here, you can view and potentially modify information such as the company name and the unique org ID of your Genesys Cloud instance. Settings. This section contains various general settings for your organization, including location detection, options related to how the system detects user locations if applicable. Language, settings for the default language used within your organization. Country code, the primary country code associated with your organization. Onboarding, configuration options for adding new users, specifically mentioning auto-invite, automatically sending invitations, and open admission, allowing users to self-register if enabled. Compliance settings. This section will contain settings related to regulatory compliance relevant to your organization. The specific options here will depend on your region and industry. Authentication. This area allows you to define and configure how users are authenticated to access your Genesys Cloud organization, e.g., password policies, multi-factor authentication. Status management. Here, you can manage and customize the various user states that are available within your Genesys Cloud environment. Next topic. Master Admin Configurations Lab. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos.